Hi guys, this is going to be a short video to show you how to do really simple short division, and this is the type of short division that we're learning at school in New South Wales at the moment, so it may not be exactly what parents are used to when they were taught in schools. Okay, so the first example that I'm going to take you through is 48 divided by 4. So we have our division algorithm, 48 divided by 4. Okay, I'm going to write all my thinking on the right side. So the first number that we're working with is the 4 in 48. So what we're going to be doing is 4 divided by 4. Now, again, everything that I'm writing here on the right hand side is what you're thinking. You don't actually have to write it down. Although I do encourage my students to write this down to begin with, just so they understand. And as they get better, they don't have to write it down anymore. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and there's a remainder of 0. So that is 1 on top of the 4. The next number that we're working with is 8, because we have just worked with that 4. We can pretty much cross it out. You don't have to do this, but again, it's just to stop any confusion. So we're going to do 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Remainder 0. So again, 2, there is no remainder, so we don't need to worry about anything. We've finished with the 8, so we're done with a number. The answer is 12. Let's move on to another example, a little bit harder this time. So this time it is 639 divided by 3. So our thinking is, we're looking at the first number, which is 6. So in our heads, 6 divided by 3 equals 2, remainder 0. So we write 2. And in our heads, we think we've finished with the 6, so in our heads we can cross it off. The next number that we need to work with is 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, remainder 0. So we write 1 on top of the 3, and in our heads, cross off the 3. We're finished with that. Our last number is the 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, remainder 0. So 3 on top of the 9, and we're finished with the 9. Our answer is 213. Moving on, we have 309 divided by 3. So the first number, again, what we're looking at is 3. So 3 divided by 3, 1, remainder 0. 1 there. The next number that we're looking at is 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. So we're writing 0. This is one part that a lot of kids do forget about. So you have to write down 0 if you can't do it. So the next number is 9 divided by 3 equals 3, remainder 0. So 3, and nothing left over, so our answer is 103. And I need to cross this off as well in my mind. Okay, our last example that we're going to go through, 4086 divided by 2. Oh, I've switched colours around, that's okay. So again, in our heads, the first number that we're looking at is 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, remainder 0. 2. We've used the 4 now. Our next number is 0. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. So don't forget to write that 0. Cross that off. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, remainder 0. So 4, and we've used the 8 now. The last number that we need to work with is 6 divided by 2 equals 3, remainder 0. So 3, the answer is 2043. Now the reason why I keep having to write remainder 0 is because when there is a remainder, it makes a difference. So you do need to differentiate between remainder 0 and an actual remainder number. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Hopefully that helped. If it did, please like and comment. And I'll see you in the next video.